Hello, students and parents of the family of Harris Road Middle School. My name is Freddy Rivera, and I'm going to be a Spanish and Global Studies teacher this year, 2020-2021. It's a pleasure for me to be working along the great staff of Harris Road, especially for this year that it has been very critical for all of us. But in our heart, we will try and we intend to do our very best to serve our students and to do all kinds of activities, the most interesting activities, in order for our students to learn and so forth. First of all, I would like to talk to you about the location for the assignments for these classes, as well as Spanish and Global Studies. That information is going to be on my website page for this in the school. Okay, under my name, I will have all the activities to be done and all the work that is required and so forth. I'd like to also talk to you about the supplies needed for this course. The main thing is that I would like for each student, every student, as a matter of fact, to be working on a computer, strictly on the computer, for all the activities and work and homework and that needs to be done and turn it in. So it's imperative that everybody be working on computers only. As far as the preferred communication, when you have a question or when you need to reach me, please do so by email. That would be the best contact, by email. Okay. Later on, I will put down, the hours for office hours and so forth in our class, as well for all the activities that needs to be turned on or the students are going to be working. My understanding is everybody is going to be on Canvas, so we will do so too. So just pay attention on this because it's going to be a page for Canvas for Spanish and Global Studies for my group. So saying that, I will communicate any other information that I will receive and so forth, and I will put it to you as soon as possible. Once again, communications for me, it will be directly into my email, school email, and for information for activities of all kind for Spanish and Global Studies, it's going to be on the website page in the school. So this is Mr. Rivera, and I really am looking forward to have all my students as well. I would like to just to mention that it's very, very important for the students to be on time in class because attendance will be taken. Okay, as well, all the activities, it will be great. Later on, I will pass the information and describe exactly how the grades are going to be divided and so forth, in base of counting those activities and having a final grade, of course. Okay, so until then, I hope everybody could have a great day, and I hope to see you very soon. Thank you.